Water Fruit Painting Tutorial by Audrey Buttigieg Cardona. You'll need canvas or canvas paper, pencil, brushes, palette or painting knives, water container with water, paper towel. Acrylic paint: white, violet, cobalt blue, orange and yellow. From one of the corners, draw a quarter of a circle and the segments of an orange. Squeeze blobs of blue and violet paint in the background. Use the painting knife to blend the colors together. Add orange in the rind part and the segments, and white along the inner rind. Use a brush to paint the shapes and for blending. Blend yellow in the whitish parts of the fruit. Use a painting knife to add texture to the segments by using orange, yellow and white. Add more detail and texture when needed. What other color combinations can you create? Thank you for watching. Original music by www.bensound.com.